What's up, YouTube?
We're following a Bob Ross tutorial or video, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
We got our pretzel sticks.
We got paint.
Yeah, we got Bob Ross on the TV. Yeah.
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 Oh,
I got fuzzies in my paint!
As you can tell, this is off to a fabulous start. I'm gonna have to restart it by my computer now.
I think I'm doing great so far.
Bob Ross, hello? You dead? Ha! He actually is.
I think it's a nice even.
Okay. No, he's using the same brush. We're already in one step in.
Brush.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. We're not cleaning the brush. Well, this is really inconvenient. I should probably just put it on there. I spent all my time trying to do this. What kind of blue? The
Prussian blue.
Prussian?
Prussian.
Are you sure it's not that blue?
You said Prussian.
Okay, I didn't hear.
That one on the right looks more like a Prussian blue.
I think that's this blue. The blue. Wow, this is great. We're already 2 minutes in and we've gotten nowhere. Ew! Ew! Disgusting! Disgusting! So we're not even gonna clean the brush. Okay, next step. Here we
Even
go.
distribution of color all the way through the bristles, and that's what we're looking for. Otherwise, if you just hit
A big gob of paint.
Is that what he said?
No, I read what it said.
Oh. Oh. Ooh.
Don't take too much.
I'm trying not to. As you're repeating the words I told you.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
The student has learned from their teacher.
She has. Instead, we're just gonna sit here and paint my blick paper. Okay. Are we ready?
Yep.
Okay. This is gonna go awful. I can already see this. Wow, this does look like not the blue, but it's okay.
But we work with the resources that we got.
Oh my gosh, it kind of looks like the sky from Stranger Things on the one poster.
Okay, Bob, we're done with you. We're gonna go our own way now.
Thanks, Bob. Also,
How far down does he want us to go?
well, the thing is, we'll kind of have to rationalize because he's painting on an egg, and we're painting on a square.
Well, I'm gonna go square.
So just kind of rationalize it that way. Ah! What are you saying? Oh!
I said it looks fine!
You
Literally,
look professional already.
we're 2 steps in, and this is what mine looks like. And Allison's look like that. We literally have gotten nowhere.
I've gotten insecure already. Oh my
I'm already feeling defeated. I'm literally.
Stop adding.
My
You're
two-
gonna disappoint
then part of
Bob.
the
Oh! I'm getting the paints on my keyboard.
Oh god.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Wow. This is what happens when
have.